What up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. Okay, I want to show you real quickly how to use these private label rights, pre-formatted sales pages, and how to do your PayPal button here, okay? Real quickly now, without further ado, now what we're going to do is, we're going to do this very quickly. Okay, so this is all the files, the sales page, and everything. Okay, now we're gonna select all, right? Very quickly. We're gonna select all of these. Okay. Edit, select all, or Control A. Now we're gonna right click on it. For some reason my right click ain't working today. Alright, so we're going to select all. I'm going to right click. I'm going to send it to a compressed document. Okay? So we could just call it, you know, it's gonna come up to the name that's you clicked on when you right clicked. Okay? So we're just gonna call it zip. Zip up. Okay, just for now. Okay, now we're going to go to any of your hosting sites. Let me do this real quick because PayPal keeps shutting me down. Got to keep it moving over there. Now, on your hosting sites, like I host with BlueHost, okay, you'll have a file management system on there, okay, that you'll be able to get into. Every site is different, okay, as far as that goes, but BlueHost, but these are all, this area is basically the same. So I just made a new folder. I'm going to upload. Okay. So you don't need a separate thing like FileZilla or anything like that. Okay. Okay, so there it is. That's our zipped up file. Just going to upload it. It's very short and sweet. It's a very small file. Okay. In there, we're going to right click and we're going to hit extract. Okay, extract all files very quickly. Alright, now I would suggest you edit it while it's up online. I'm going to refresh this page. It's going to take me up one level. Okay, so go, where was I? My ClickBank sales page. Okay. So now I can get rid of this zipped up folder. It's only going to take up unused, useless memory. Now let's see how this looks in the HTML editor. Maybe we could do it very quickly in that. So it's not too bad. We're going to try not to mess this up. We're going to delete that. And you could do this even if it was in the notepad. I'm just going to mark a couple X's there. Okay. We're going to go to the source, and then we're going to hit Control F, go to the X's where we made. So that's our spot now where we want to put that. All right. Now you're going to get the code from PayPal. Select code, copy it. It's going to put the button in there and everything, which most likely that's what that was in there. Kind of looked like it. So we're going to go back and we're going to put that right there. Okay, so let's go back and see how it looks. And hopefully coming in here, because sometimes coming in here, it makes it. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Let's save it. Now, because I did this, I got to the URL, okay, before I uploaded an index. It's just showing me the directories, okay. So let's refresh it. Bada-doo. Okay, now that's one of the more simpler pages. Okay. Ooh, 54 bucks. I must have ordered 2 of them. Okay, obviously I set something up wrong in PayPal. Let's see what's going on with PayPal. Select, go back to edit this button. I'm not really here to show you how to do the PayPal thing, although I can make a video on it if you wanted to. Okay, yeah, $27 for the shipment too. Okay, so save changes. Now that probably valid input, shipping, tax. Save changes. See what it does again. Email address is required. Okay, let me put my alright, saving that. Okay, now you see what happened here? I need to log back in to PayPal, because if you're dormant for any amount of time, they just not get. Okay, so let's get back in there and do that. And then I'm going to come here and just refresh. Continue. Continue. Alright, there we go. $27. Okay, price, tax rate, email, save changes. Let's see if there's any error. So that quickly, okay, you can select that code. And now what you could do, if you want to put your own picture in there, you could just take this email link here. As a matter of fact, let me keep this going here with some okay, in case I get knocked out again. Control copy, okay, Control C, Control V, okay. So basically, and ultimately you can look in here and actually, see the code and everything and how it's housing the GIF, the picture, okay. But that quickly and that easily, okay. So now, alright, so we made a mistake on the code. So let's go back here, alright, and just basically delete this again, okay. Let's delete that. Let's save it. Okay, put our X that marks the spot. Okay, copy our code. Go back here. Go to our source. Now you can Control letter F, Control V. Okay, let's try to find that. Try to find those X's. We're not looking for the code. Okay, so we got the code. Going to paste it. We're going to view the source. Now again, this is a basic page. Okay, centerize it. Boom. Save it. Okay, preview it. Now, obviously, the pictures got messed up for some reason. Okay. Buy now. Going to take me to my PayPal. Okay, because I'm the seller and I'm trying to log into my own account. So, alright, show me there. Now, again, these files like this, when you take these files and you're in this platform, okay, it's probably better, like if you open this up and you see that the pictures are all missing, okay, something happened along the way. So now let's go there and see what's going on, because according to this, the pictures are there. So let's see if we messed it up. Okay. Alright, so the pictures are there. Okay, the Buy Now button is there. It's all there. Okay, so you can edit it in this editor type, this notepad editor type thing. Okay, and it'll look like this, and it looks much better than notepad. Okay, now the best way to do it is, okay, you want to find where you're at. So we're going to take this, we're going to copy it. Okay, and we're going to go back to the editor. Again, click on the body of the HTML, Control F, we're going to search for this term here. Okay, so now this is your form. Okay, target, it's showing you PayPal object and everything. Okay, so I'm just going to X this out and save this just to show you how we did that. Okay, all right, you see how that disappears? So if you want to go to any part in this code below here, say, you highlight this, okay, copy it, go into the HTML, paste it, and you'll find it. Now this is that underlined code. Okay, see, that's the box. Okay, it's got a checkbox there, which is this. Okay, so you got to learn how to read this code. All right, and a lot of it is pretty cool. It's self-explanatory. Right, so that very quickly. Now, which is great about this thing too, other than having it on Notepad, doing this on Notepad, you got an undo button. Okay, you got a back button on this. That's the greatest thing. Now, this particular file management system is usually on the back end of most hosting sites. Okay, it's usually on the back end. Now, it's different in different platforms. Okay. And my next video, I'm going to show you how to do it in WebStarts. Okay, I happen to like BlueHost. I am an affiliate to them. I do have a link in the description down there. Okay. So this is Ray from rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. If you want to learn all these tricks that I have, you can go to my YouTube channel and look them up. If you have a specific thing you want to learn about, I shall gladly make you a video on it. You like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, sign up with any of my affiliate platforms. It's the same to you. As far as the price, I get a little commission. Okay, you go to rwcweb.com, leave your best email in this box, and I shall take care of you like my own little hatchling.